Hello guys, good morning. So let me show you where we are. Ayan. So if you can see, look, it's so really nice place for relaxation. Oh my god, look at that. And then this is the house. So yun yung aming mga service, mga naka-park. Ayan. And now I gonna walk from here to the beach. Wow, I really like this place. Look at that. Where are they? Naliligo kasi sila sa dagat. So pupuntahan ko sila. Yung iba ay tulog pa. Saan ba sila? Oh, I think I'm in the wrong way. Ah, okay. Dito tayo daan. Because there is going to the swimming pool. Wow. I really love nature. Oh, here it's them. Oh, so this is the swimming pool. Let me see. Oh my god, so nice. So this is the dagat. Where are they? Oh, dear. Where it's them? Oh, it's them. So where okay, I'm in the wrong way. Saan na yung daan na? Padagat. Morning. Saan yung daan padagat dito? Okay. Ha? Ah. Asan na yun?
Ayun yung ano?
Ah, yung may tatlong sasakyan dyan.
Kayo pala dyan.
Ah.
House 1.
Aha. Asan si Sakar? Ganda naman ng dagat. Wala, linaw.
Lumalat isa doon sa bato, nagkakabang tayo, umatake, puhuta.
Kaya nung time na nagkaroon ako ng
Picture.
karamdaman, nagkaroon ako ng ubo at nagkaroon ng hilanat. Sabi
And by the time she wakes, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bell. Everything that dies makes its way back. I lost the last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory. Come get me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Come get me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 1993. Come get me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Come get me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 'You saved my life. can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Sige. Let's go! Saan tayo mag-aakay? Let me tour you to our house. Our house.
Wow, English speaking.
So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung bahay namin for one day. For one day only. Ayan.
Ayan guys.
Unahin muna namin yung aming service. Service. Ito yung service namin. ito yung sa kasama namin. And then,
This is my
ito
husband.
namin kasama. Sir, ano pangalan mo? Pangalan mo?
Tenan lang po dito, tenan lang po. Tenan lang po. Tenan lang po. Tenan.
Here. So, ito po yung aming pinaka video okay place. Yes.
Para ito yung video kami.
Ito naman yung aming lutuan. Ay, ipakita mo si Sir. Sir, pangalan mo?
Ako nga pala si Chef Boy Negro.
Wow!
Ito yung aking luluto. Ang sarap na
Ay,
ito.
pakita mo. Ano yan?
Magluluto kami ng tinolang sisiw.
Huh? Okay. Dito naman tayo sa kusina. So, dito po yung aming little kusina. Nandito yung rep. Ayan, wala siyang laman. Okay, dito yung aming lamesa.
Tour house.
Yes, ito yung aming lamesa. And then, yun, meron doon TV. And then ngayon, papasukin natin yun nandito. Pasok. Magpakilala ka. Ano pa? Naninitin kang araw. Ano tayo sa taas? Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung taas. Ito siya. Meron siyang isang ano. Tapos, meron siyang papunta dito. Ayan, ipapakilala ko sa inyo yung aming isang kasama. Ito siya. Pero ipapakilala ka. Ano pangalan mo? Ha? Amin po yung aming ano, taga-release ng paligid. Nagpapahinga siya. Mamaya. Mamaya pa yan.
O, yung suwa ko nga dyan.
So, yan lang po ang
Tour house.
tour house. Ayun po yung baba. Wow, so
Wow,
nice.
so nice.
Dito po yung pinaka-view niya sa labas. Ayan siya. Sige, pakita mo doon.
So yan lang po ang all. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Tara. Okay. May mga bata tayo lang. Tara, pang ano.
O, sa harap ka lang, guys. Hindi ko doon.
Tapos magkuha ka din ng ano ng tawag dito, ng portrait lang. Intro pa. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Sige, portrait naman. Dapat kita yung bahay.
Doon, baka doon banda.
Oh, ito.
Ako, init pa naman. May init pa naman yan.
Sige, sige. Tapos
Ayan, samplak.
yan.
Malayo at
Malapit. Focus mo sa amin yan, para kita ka nila. Okay na, patingin ako. Maganda ba yung kuha ko?
May church daw.
May time na to,
Sa tubig. Ay, 50 lang.
May time na to,
Ito mag-picture sa
Magharap kayo, sir. So, magharap kayo ng
dapat dito sa baba, oh. Dito tayo.
Dito kami kayo. Dito kami baba. Dito kami baba.
Okay na ba?
Huwag ka magakbay.
Pangit
Ba? Ganun kasi oh.
Pangit. Isa pa. Ito, sabay ko. Isa pa.
Uwi mo.
Napakainit. Sige, isa pa. Hawakan mo siya. Ayan, ganyan.
Isa pa, sige. Hindi pa tayo.
Ay! Ano ba yan? Huwag na.
Sakar na lang, partner.
Oo, yakap ka dyan.
Oo, yakap ka kayo.
Ay, wala si Josh. Josh, umalis ka kasi dyan!
O, ganun.
Huwag kang mag-akbay sa akin. Sabi, huwag lagi. Sabay, last.
Yakapin ko si Josh. Ano na, okay na.
Let's go.
Wala nang kalimutan doon.
Come give me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Go!
Anong yan? Animal.